Joining us now to discuss federal criminal defense attorney and constitutional law attorney Ronald Chapman.
Ronald, it just seems like there's a mountain of evidence. I can't even list all of everything that prosecutors have been able to collect this far. How would you possibly mount a defense if you were his attorney?
Oh, man, that would not be an easy task, let me tell you. The first thing that you're going to try to work on here is the death penalty. That's probably the biggest risk. And if that goes away, maybe this case pleads out and we don't go to trial. Interestingly, I understand that Charlie Kirk isn't pursuing the death penalty, but that's not really her call. So if I'm the defense here, my most likely shot is to convince this judge to take the aggravated murder charge off of the table by arguing one of two things. First, that this special circumstances, Charlie Kirk being a political figure, isn't sufficient, or just that minors present in the crowd was not sufficient for the aggravated murder. If you win that, you take death penalty off the table. And for the defense counsel in a case as hard as this, that's going to be considered a victory.
Ronald, I would just assume there's such a high-profile case that we're going to witness here that any chance of some kind of a plea deal after he makes one, that's probably out the window. Am I correct in assuming that?
Well, I think, yeah, if he forces the preliminary exam, which he's already done, it's going to be difficult for a plea deal unless the death penalty is off the table because you don't plead to death. That's just not what you do. But interestingly, in this case, there's a few things we're not going to see at the preliminary exam that the prosecution has decided not to put on. The first, testimony of the roommate. This part is crucial for the prosecution, but the judge has allowed that in by hearsay. So we're not going to hear from that roommate. And that is one of the people, if I'm the defense, that I really want to challenge the most, because that directly links Tyler Robinson to this killing outside of the DNA evidence.
Okay, gentlemen, we got to leave it there.